You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly in German. So yes, it is a name of German origin. This is the German version for the name Matthew, of course. And the German pronunciation is as Matthäus. Okay, so the A with an umlaut on it, so with the two dots, is not pronounced A, but E. Okay, this is why you got Matthäus. Okay, TH is here pretty much pronounced like a T, not TH. Matthäus. And US is pronounced like us. Okay, so Matthäus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.